Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. On today's episode, we are going to learn everything about Binance for beginners. So if you're a beginner, novice, you don't really know anything about crypto and Binance, don't worry, this is the right channel. So make sure you like the video, you subscribe, and you comment whatever you want to learn about Binance, whether buying crypto, whether trading, whether earning, whether learning or anything. So this is how the interface looks when you log in from a PC. Logging in from a PC sometimes makes it simple and easy. You see all the tabs and the features on the screen. So make sure you sit, grab some coffee and let's begin. So first of all, you need to sign up for Binance. I will leave the link below so that you sign up using my referral link. And after that, you need to verify your identity with an ID card, and you set a payment method with either Momo bank account or any other or credit card. Yeah. So after signing up, make sure you come to the payment tab and you add your Momo number. So you can add as many as payment method. You can add up to 20 payment method. That's if you have up to 20 payment method. For now, I have only one number. I've added my Momo as my payment. So let's go back to the dashboard. So maybe someone want to send you a Bitcoin, or you want to send someone a Bitcoin as a reward or something, and you don't know how to do it. Let me teach you how to buy crypto with your Momo. That's the simple way to go by that. Yeah. Maybe you don't have a credit card or something, so let's dive into that. So as you can see, they have security identification. Here you have this where identification, this is where you verify your ID and all those stuff. So make sure you come here, you click on buy crypto. So you can see you can deposit through card, that's bank or something, but you have the credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay and others. And this is the best peer-to-peer trading, bank transfer, Momo and all other payment methods. So we click on P2P trading. Yeah. So here you have a lot of coins. You have USDT, BTC, BUSDT, BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. So I'm currently using the USDT tab, so you can see the prices are from the lowest to the highest. So this person over here is selling one USDT for 10 cedi, 57 Ghana pesos. Yes. And his limit is 80 cedis up to 1,005, meaning he's accepting payment from 80 cedis to 1,005, meaning you have to buy from 80 cedis to 1,005. This person also selling at 10 cedi, 58 pesos, 100 cedis upwards, up to 1,000. Yeah. So just scroll down till you see the one that best fits you. Some are even buying from 5,000. Yes, so you just selling or at once buying 5,000 or something. So others 80 cedis, 1,000. So these are the available sellers on the app right now. So let's move to BTC. So as you can see, this also has a limit of 80 cedis to 924 cedis, same as the USDT from the lowest to highest. You can see, and you can go to BUSD, same 10 cedis, 75 pesos from 200 cedis upwards. Let's go to BNB. BNB, we check the one that fits Ethereum, same. Solana. Since Solana, the best is from 100 cedis upwards. So let's go back to USDT and let me show you how you can buy with your Momo. So let's say I want to buy. So he accepts mobile money, MTN One money, and Voda Cash. Zero fees. So you click on buy USDT. So I want to pay. This here you enter the amount you have on your Momo wallet. Let's say I want to buy 100 cedis. So you enter 100 cedis. You get to know how much crypto you receive before you confirm or do any transaction on the app. This is you have to be very cautious of what you send or the exact number of mobile money you send to the person. So you send 100 cedis, you receive 9.46 USDT in your crypto account. So make sure you read the terms and conditions of the seller before you buy from them. So you said it's online, you're warmly welcome. If you're a meeting user, just drop your number, allow cash out to avoid any charges. Yeah, that's very smart of them. So if Voda withdraw with his number, TIN number or tel number or something, just withdraw with this and type the and agent name over there and you do that. So I'm not going to buy, but if you want to buy, just proceed to buy USDT. And if you are meeting user, drop your number and your name and wait for the confirmation on your phone to send the money to him. And if you are a Vodafone user, just use his details over there and send it. Same apply to the BTC, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and the BUSD. Yeah, so after buying that, you will see the money in your wallet. So let me go back to the dashboard. So after buying, you see it over here. Currently, I have that's Solana converted to BTC, but you can check from your wallet. I think we can see the USDT right over here. Yeah, so if you have USDT, you see it over here. So the balance is in BTC. You can change to BUSD and see the number of BUSD, Ethereum, or BNB you have currently. Yeah, so basically that's it. And BTC is not that stable, so I recommend you buy USDT. But with that one, the benefit is, let's say you are buying at 10 cedi 57 pesos today. Anytime the dollar rises to, let's say, 12 cedis or something, you sell it and you get your profit. But another disadvantage is you buy it at 10 cedi 57 pesos, the dollar rate drops to 96 or 8 cedis. You lose your 2 cedis or something. So just seek some financial advice or do your calculation before you try anything on the app. So the next thing is, as a beginner, how to, let's say, trade Binance gift card. Yes, how to buy or how to redeem. Let's say someone has sent you a Binance gift card electronically and you want to redeem the Binance gift card into crypto or something. You click on finance over here. Come to Binance gift card. Yeah, so it's very simple. Send crypto with Binance gift card. So the code will be on the card, whether physical card or a virtual card sent to you. Just enter the code over here. And this is an example of how the code on the card will look. So you just copy or type in the code over here. You paste and you click on redeem. Then you wait for the site to load in. Yeah, so if the card is not incorrect, this is what you get. But if it's correct, you will receive an alert and maybe the gift card might be USDT, BTC, or Ethereum, depending on what the person bought for you. Yeah. You can buy Ramadan Kareem cards for your friends and loved ones. You can buy New Year gift card for your friends. You can buy birthday cards. Yes, they are all just cards for gifting your loved ones out there. So basically, that's what the Binance gift card does. Yeah. Yeah. So let's go back to the dashboard. So another interesting thing about this is you can refer people and get paid up to over 500 USDT. They'll give you a unique code with a link. You share it to your friends and family. Anytime they sign up, and anytime they sign up to your link, you get a reward. It can be rebate card, it can be vouchers, it can be anything worth 500 USDT, vouchers, code, or anything. So you just click on the referrals on your dashboard, and you can see your unique code over here. So this is my ID, and this the referral link. So you just click it and send it to your friends to sign up through. And after they sign up through your link or ID, you see your result over here, and the number of people you have invited, and the bonus in USDT, and the rebate vouchers in USDT, and the successful referrals you've performed. And another thing is they have the reward center. You can check if you have any reward over there. So this is the reward center. So as you can see, I have a 5 USDT rebate voucher. That's for 7 days. You just have to click on redeem, and they'll tell you what to do to be able to activate that rebate voucher on the app. So you come to the market. This is for those who are into trading, but I'll talk more about that later in the next video. So make sure you drop any question, anything you want to learn about Binance, and I'll make sure I'll drop a full video about that, step by step on how to do that on the app. So you come here, trade, Binance Convert, spot trading, margin, strategic trading, P2P, that's peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer, P2P means peer-to-peer. Come to the market overview, trade. So yeah, there are a lot of options. So one thing, you can earn on the Binance app by just learning about crypto. That's one thing. Just learning about crypto. So I got my Solana 0.050 Solana through learning on the app just days ago. You just scroll to the bottom over here, click on learning, and so this is you earn 0.052 Solana after watching the videos and reading the script, and you have to answer 10 questions. And before you'll be able to earn all this coin, you need to get all the 10 correct. If you have 9 over 10, you have to still take the quiz again. So make sure you watch the video well and read and understand everything. That's the important thing. After learning, they give you 0.05 Solana. Yeah. So you have Solana, they have BNB, they have Kyber Network, KNC, they have US, they have Hashflow, they have a lot of coins. Just learn about them and they will gift you one. And one thing about that is you can't redeem it for now. They will send it on to auto end for 150 days. So by then the APR is 10% for 150 days, so you earn about this 0.00 days per day. So for 150 days, that's a quite amount of money, and you can convert that into BTC or to USDT and trade that later. So that's some good news. So make sure you subscribe, comment anything you want to learn about crypto, Binance, or any other thing. Now make sure I'll do a full tutorial about that. So this is basically for newbies into crypto and Binance as a whole. So in the next video, I'll be talking about other features, NFTs, how to the deposits. Yeah, like so how to deposit is the same as buying from your credit card or peer to peer. So basically that's how the interface looks and how to buy crypto on Binance. Yes. So whoa,